four. One is if two sides are equal, three sides are equal. If the three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the three sides of the other triangle, then by SSS congruence, they are congruent. Now here it's given that AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, this is equal to this, BC is equal to the CD, and this side is common. So that means the SSS congruence has happened. By SSS congruence, then this triangle is congruent to, this is the first rule, SSS. Then the second rule is, if you have, this is SAS. If this side is equal to this side, the included angle is equal to the included angle. And if this side is equal to this side, then by SAS, these two are congruent. So if two triangles are congruent, if two sides and the included angle of one are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other, by SAS congruence, they are congruent. And the third is, this is the second rule, SSS, SAS. Then the third rule. The third rule is that if you have two triangles, in which you have one angle equal to another angle, the side equal, and another angle equal to another angle, then by ASA, this is ASA congruence. This is the, if two angles and the included side of one are equal to two angles and the included side of the other, then by ASA, this is the third. Fourth is this, if the RHS congruence, if the hypotenuse, and there's a 90 to 90 and the hypotenuse is the opposite side, and one side is equal to the another, if two are congruent, if the hypotenuse of one side are respectively equal to the hypotenuse on one side of the other, then it is RHS congruence. So these are four rules. Now the only thing you have to understand is, if this can also be written as AAS, because if A angle and the side should be in between the two angles. But even if the side is not between the two angles, if two angles are equal, then the third angle will automatically be equal, and ASA work. So AAS can also be written as ASA. So these are the same thing, these two. So these are the five rules: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once you can prove, you take each required three givens, like either three sides are equal, or two side one angle, or two angle one side. So, or right, one angle 90 hypotenuse equal side. So if three things are equal, three properties are equal, or three sides or some whatever are equal, then you prove they are congruent. And once you prove they are congruent, you get six properties equal. That I told you. What are the six that I told you? These six properties. Hold on. Once you, if the three are equal and they are congruent, then these six, the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles will be found to be equal. Because if three are equal, then they superimpose on each other. And once they superimpose on each other, the six things are equal. So if you know these six, because if they are congruent, they will superimpose on each other. And if they will superimpose, then the six things are equal. Three sides are equal to the other three sides, and three angles are equal to the other three angles. So after using three, we get benefit of six. See, congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. And we use these to prove things. Congruent is, like here he is using congruence to prove the properties of quadrilateral. So you will use congruence of triangles to prove the various properties of quadrilaterals, of square, of parallelogram, and you will do this in class 8th and 9th both. So you use congruence of triangles to do this. So better do this, otherwise you will suffer in 9th also.